Hello! It is a beautiful morning, so let's do some adventure. Come on! First, let's prepare our things. I'll use this bag and make sure that we have our alcohol with us. Here's our full outfit for today. Please excuse my big tummy. Heading out. Let's gas up for our journey. And we're ready to roll. Quick stop for food time. We're here. By the way, the entrance here is 300 pesos each. Sa entrance pa lang, you will be amazed with the beauty of the nature. The road is a bit slippery because of the rain, so please be careful when driving. The road is slightly challenging, but kaya naman. Just be careful when going there, especially when it's raining. The nature itself is very pretty. We just have arrived. If you want to relax and be one with the nature, this is the place to be. This is the hot spring. And here's the cold one.
So today is Saturday, it's October 16th, and we are here in... We'll do a quick tour later on. Really here in the mountains. Look at that. It's like in Antalya. So they also have a shower. I'm already wet since I was soaked in the water already. It's really refreshing, the 39-degree temperature. It makes your body really relax. So let me show you. Your experience. Sunny? How's your experience? Go and dip ourselves. View above. It is 39 degrees Celsius. It's very relaxing after a very stressful shift. So this is the cold spring, 25 degrees Celsius and 5. While there, that's 4 feet, and it's also 25. Rate your experience. Is it cold? Rate your experience. Mura kang kunano ni. I have it.
They have lots of cottages with different prices. This one is 700. This is 400. This is also 400. They also have 200, I think, and 300 on the other side of the resort.
Sa entrance pa lang, you can already see the beautiful mini falls. It's the water of the spring. Mount Isa Road. Hiking adventure. My leading van. Also here. So yan, we will already change. So we did not rent any tables or cabanas because we just store our things here in the U-box. So it's enough to hold and secure our things. So Sunny is changing right now and I'm just waiting for him to finish.